How to report missing or incorrect items in your order on Glovo. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am excited because I'll be showing you how you can report missing or incorrect items in your order on Glovo. So if you made an order and then you got an incorrect item, or some of the things you ordered for are not complete, just ensure that you watch this video to the end. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to ensure that you are using the latest version of Glovo. Once you have that ensured, just go ahead and launch the app. Now, once you've launched the app, you'll be brought to the home page of the app where you'll see options, okay, of stores where you can get products from. And then by the top part of the screen, you see the search bar. By the left side of the screen, like this, the top left side of the screen, you see your profile icon. Just go ahead and click on it. Then you take it to the profiles page. On this page, right, the top right corner, click on the help option, and then you'll be brought to your support center. On this page, click on the not related to an orders option, and then here you would see several options as well, such as Glovo Prime, account details, verify my identity, Glovo newsletters, work with us, policy, etc. So click on Glovo Prime, and then the box displayed select unsubscribe. When you select unsubscribe, you'll be taken to Glovo's customer support page automatically. Now the next thing for you to do is to tap on the search bar and type out your question, which is I got an uh I got an incorrect item, and then you send it. Once you send it, you wait for a response from the virtual assistant, and then once you chat, you would be given option instructions and what to do on returning the products or getting your money back. So this is how you can report incorrect item on Glovo. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.